Hey guys, today we are gonna be installing these roof airbags on this Buick lacrosse, which was involved in an accident. We have the old airbags removed, and then now we're gonna install the new ones. And then if you do have a 14, 16 Buick lacrosse, the old ones which came in 2013 are like the same airbags. So don't be guys fooled by those auto mechanics because they will tell you that they are different, but they are the same thing. And then the connections is also the same. They just like designed a little differently. Okay guys, so like when you install it, it is like really important that you like install this section in there first. It should go in the point where it fits, and then you have a screw right over here. Like if you like don't do this first, then like it won't line up correctly when you install it. So here we have it. Like the main canister will be like between this panel right over here, and then this is gonna go right down here, and then you will have those screws placed, which I will show you in a minute. And then from the back, once again, well, the main black canister is right over there, in between the two panels. And then you have the rest, which is just gonna go like all around the headliner. And then also sometimes you don't really have to replace the headliner if it's not like ripped or anything, but if it is ripped, then you will have to replace it. And then if you have any vehicle that needs this kind of work done, just like let me know. We like work locally in the Dallas area. And then we also have 35 years of experience working on all types of car, including electrical issues, mechanical issues, engine, transmission, key programming, everything. And then we like work on all major brands. So here we have it installed. You have one screw that goes right over there for your airbag. You will have to remove this side panel as well. So here we have it installed right over here. Then moving on in the back, you do have screws back there. You have a one screw over there, under there. And then the connection should just be the same even if you're installing it from the older 2013 model. And then now the only steps are just like putting this back in. So as you can see, this wasn't really, like the headliner wasn't really damaged that much. So we could just like reuse it, and then we would just like apply heat here and just like fix all these wrinkles in there. And then after we install this, you will have to take out the old restraint module and like have it reset. Otherwise, like the light will stay on. So we have everything installed now. As you can see, you can even tell the difference that this was opened, and then we got all of that. You can see that you can't really tell it was open from anywhere. We also installed the door handles as well. And then in the front, we got that panel right back where it was supposed to. And then the only thing that we're missing is this part, because like we still need to like replace this new restraint. And then like once we like replace this restraint, then we will like have that put back together. As I told earlier, we do sell cars, and then we do work locally in the Dallas area. So if you have any vehicle that needs to be serviced, or you have any questions, feel free to call me, or just like leave a comment below. And then please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.